An opera of fear.
Getting inside a world-class vault would take a team of world-class thieves. A group of specialists, each member contributing their own particular talent. It was clear that we needed Murray back. Not only was I missing a lifelong friend, but his brute strength helped get us out of more than a few scrapes in the past. When Bentley was injured during the whole Clockwork affair, Murray blamed himself, eventually leaving the team. We tried to console him, but going out on his own was something he needed to do. He said he wanted to find his spiritual center. We got word that Murray ended up in the Australian outback, where he studied a mystic art called the Dreamtime from an Aboriginal guru. From all accounts, things went pretty well, and his teacher even sent him on a walkabout to locations all over the globe to complete the training. Latest reports have cited Murray in beautiful Venice, Italy, but what he's doing there is a mystery. I just hope he steers clear of the local mob boss, Octavio. Growing up, this guy used to be a real celebrity in the neighborhood. Everyone loved to hear him sing opera and said he was destined to be the next great tenor. But just as his career started to take off, musical tastes changed. Suddenly, it was all about rock music, and no one wanted to listen to opera anymore.
Oh yeah!
He held on to a few fans, and it was these mobsters that took him into the business. Heading onto this guy's turf was dangerous, but worth it for a chance to make things right with Murray.
Alright. Here's beginning to sing. Oh, the music of this game. Oh yeah. What was that? Oh, there's no treasure anymore? Don't remember. Looks like you.
Given
No.
Murray's criminal past, it seems logical to start our search at the local police station. If he's not already in custody, the cops are sure to have leads on all the crooks in Venice. That mass of dope marks the Venetian police station.
Cops around here really like to make an impression.
I'm afraid it's a losing battle. Don Octavio runs the show in this neighborhood. It's his security forces patrolling the streets, not the cops.
Noted. Huh. Looks like I found my way inside.
Well, that dome is covered in glazed tile. There's no way to climb up there.
Oh, come on, pal. There's always a way.
Is it the return of Carmelita? Yeah, the crush. Oh, I don't have my. I have to buy it.
Nice climbing, partner. I've got the blueprints to the vent system in front of me. I should be able to guide you to the jail cell.
Hey, Murray? Is that you?
Murray, that name's a stain on my pants, bro. What?
What?
Cooper, You've got some fuzzy dice to come round here.
Dimitri, long time no punch. See, you're still in jail.
And you still a cracker box.
Let's get past the name calling and get
They
to
changed
business.
the voice.
Looking for main man Murray, eh? Sorry, but I'd rather see you get busted big time. God! Policia!
Wait!
Collecting up something to keep him quiet. Oh, I didn't remember this kind of things we have to do. Okay, I could try train him flattery, cutting a deal. Well, maybe a little bit of flattery. No, this guy is not easy to.
Where's that generous nature you're so famous for? I always pegged you as the bigger man in these types of situations.
I'm a big man. Big with the payback and the sex appeal. Got that, Ant? I control the beat on this track. You're just a dancer.
Maybe cutting a deal?
If those cops get their mitts on me, who's gonna break you out of jail?
You might get the cell door open, but the cops would throw down and bust me on the way out. And then I'll get the double sentence. Grief!
He's right. It'll be getting him out of here. I need a plan. Maybe I could disguise us, pass as police, then walk out, distract the cops so we can get away, or take him with me up the hair vent. There's definitely no way he can fit inside the air vent. Disguise as police. We already know the fashion designing of Dimitri. He will not accept to disguise something. So maybe this try, it will be good.
How about I get the cops' attention, then run for it? Once they're all outside shooting at me, you can slip out no problem.
No, that's a plan I can get behind.
Mhm.
Dimitri is free and Cooper is cooked. Key for sale is in head cop lady's office.
Okay, great. This other lock won't be a problem. I should be able to crack it by hand.
Get me out of here, and I'll find Murray. No sweat. Just keep on the down low and out of sight near them coppers, bro. They're a bad bunch of bunnies.
Your attention, please.
Mhm.
We're now ready for the presentation.
I hear the sweet voice of my
The canals of Venice have been
good
mysteriously
lady.
dripping with tar for the last month. No one is sure of
Where
the
is
cause,
she?
but the effects have been devastating on the local wildlife and touristry. Our sources believe that
Oh,
this man, Don
she's
Octavio,
here.
is potentially responsible for the disaster.
Hello.
Unfortunately, we've got no hard evidence
Oh.
linking him to the pollution.
So
Yet we
cute.
receive a warrant to search his opera house mansion, so we're just going to have to do this the old-fashioned way. Get
Oh,
out
she
there
didn't
and
change
keep
for
your
the
eyes
previous
open.
game actually.
I've hired you mercenaries over
Oh, really
traditional
love the
hospitals.
outfit.
This is a dangerous assignment. The neighborhood is filled with your
Oh, here. Okay,
There's
okay.
a war out there. Get tough, or you won't last 5 minutes. I am looking for results.
Got the key.
Nice work. Head back to Dimitri's cell and free him. If he's true to his word, we'll be talking to Murray in no time.
Let's get back to business. Now, where was I? Hold tight, boys. The power's on the fritz again. It'll calm down in a few minutes.
Better make sure you're under a desk when the lights come back on.
Did they change her voice too? Or is it just me? I don't see.
Let there be light. Ah, come on.
I'm supposed to go this way, maybe. Oh. Wait.
I can see, da! I can see! Ah, jeez.
Oh, okay. I'm not too. Oh, damn, your feet, man! Whoa.
Brother, on off.
Hopefully, I don't have the smell.
Keep your hands to yourself, Leon.
Can you
Okay.
really crack this coconut?
Sure, just takes a light touch.
Cool. Let's see some shine, bro. I swear, you spring me, and I'll hook you up with that plump dog Murray. Dig?
This safe will be tough to crack, but I've seen you open harder locks. Slowly rotate the left analog stick until you feel a vibration.
Okay.
Stop, then go in the other direction, again feeling for the vibration. Then reverse
Yeah,
direction
got
again,
it, got it.
and stop when you get the third vibration. Once the green light goes on, let off the stick and you're in.
Okay, we did it. Easy, easy.
I'll do like I promised and distract the cops so you can make your escape.
Solid. Don't worry, no mind. Straightway I'll password for Murray to find you. Meet at Rialto Bridge. Big Italian landmark.
Okay, guess it's showtime.
It will be a pleasure.
Hello, assorted meatheads. And lady. Anyone feel
Mm-hmm.
like some exercise?
Cooper! Grab him, man!
And I'm out.
Go on, lady.
You've got some serious nerve showing up in my squad room.
I was concerned we were growing apart.
Then let's spend some quality time together in my interrogation cell.
So forward. What happened to the demure girl I used to know?
She grew up and stopped taking grief from guys like you.
Guys like me? Are you saying I've got some competition for your affections?
You're the only man in my sights right now.
Oh. Ooh, that was close. Aww.
You're slowing down, Cooper! You want me to slap the cuffs on you?
Whoa, whoa, she's faster. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, oh. Mary.
Greetings, old Inspector Fox. Man, you're in it again.
Hope that handle works both ways.
That's right! Hide in the sewers like the rat you are!
Thanks for the quick escape. I owe you one. Again.
Of course, Searcher. We are all in need of peace.
You're really whole hog on this Dreamtime stuff, huh?
My mind is clear, like the woodland after a forest fire.
Listen, Murray, we need you back on the team. That thing with Bentley, it wasn't your fault. He doesn't blame you for the wheelchair.
Sorry, Sly. I walk a different path. My guru, in his wisdom, told me to lose myself and not return until the black water ran pure. So here I stay.
You sure he didn't tell you to get lost and not come back until you cleaned out the water filter?
Come on, I'm on a real spirit quest here.
Sorry. Tell me everything. I've missed you, pal.
Well, it's a long and awesome story. You got any gum?
Ah, it's good to see. I don't know why. I think they changed the voice of Murray too. It's really strange.
Murray refuses to join the gang until the commitment to his guru has been fulfilled. Whether we like it or not, we've got to deal with Menace's tar problems in order to, as Murray puts it, make the black water run pure. Thanks to Inspector Fox's fine detective work, we already know that Don Octavio is somehow connected. As non-law operatives, we'll be able to tackle the situation in a more head-on fashion. First, we break into Octavio's opera house. If he's hiding anything, we'll find it. We should also keep a close eye on the dog. Some photographic evidence of him connected to the tar might be enough to get the old mobster put away. Of course, meanwhile, I'll monitor local communication frequencies. With some luck, we might pick up some quality intel.
New training challenges are available for Sly and Bentley in the art room. Would you like to play the remaining challenge? No, I already know. Not necessary. So I need 400 of money. Oh, now you can see the name of the mission. And Octavio Snap. Alright. Ooh, already a treasure? I will see how I sell them now. Like that. Oh, it's... Oh, okay. It's automatic. Oh, there's another one. Oh, we got a treasure too. Oh, it will be much better like that. Where is it? I already lost it? Really? On the left. Okay. Oh, another treasure. Come on. Ooh. How do I reach this one?
Just click the L3 button and head to the waypoint.
Alright.
Operation is underway.
Oh, there's 2 missions actually? Staff. Oh, I will try this one.
Heads up, Sly. I've intercepted a radio message from one of Octavio's men. The Dawn is moving towards your position.
Great. You want me to take him?
No, we need evidence that he's behind this city's tar epidemic. With some incriminating photos, we might be able to help the cops prosecute him and put an end to this nonsense.
Never thought we'd be helping out the cops.
Really? You always seem eager to aid Inspector Fox.
Yeah, well, she's different. Your average law enforcer isn't that, I don't know, attractive? Hold up, here he comes. That's despicable.
Get a picture before he finishes. This is perfect. Use your binocular to take photos.
Let's go. Like that, huh?
A few more of these and the cops will bury this guy. Follow him. He might be headed for some more polluting.
Going now? What's the purpose? So, why is doing that? No way. Now what? Ah, no way I can go here.
He's at it again. Get a picture.
Where's him? Ah, come on. Where's he? Oh, right there. Okay. Whoa, whoa.
That poor bird bath. I guess more of a bird death trap now. He's on the move again. Keep it up, Sly. This is some great work.
All right. Arya's going now. And go. There's another one. It will not be here. Okay. Too many enemies. Ah, okay. We'll go this way. Wait, I can't. There he is now. Oh, here. Many people here.
Imagine clogging a delightful water wheel with deadly sticky tar. Monstrous.
What? Right. Yes.
Spot him. We want to make sure all this horrible polluting is fully documented.
No way.
I got a sorrow, huh? You stink.
What?
Back in my day, thieves knew how not to get caught.
Ah, what? They did spawn me just in front of him. No way. Just because I did fail.
Spot him. We want to make sure all this horrible polluting is fully
Come on.
documented.
Why didn't spawn me again on the boat? Come on. Where are you going? Huh?
He seems to be working a switch, but there's no tar anywhere. Yes. Get a photo anyway.
Yes. Oh, I need to be quick. The photo.
He's doing something, but what? I can't believe it. He flooded that aquarium with tar. All those poor dead fish. As much as I hate to see what heinous crime this fiend will do next, you should probably keep on his tail. Someday the people will know the truth due to your pictures.
Yeah. Oh, there's another picture to do. Really? Isn't it enough?
Yeah, it's a me. Get that engineer on the horn.
Sly, see if you can latch onto the car Octavio is riding in. We should eavesdrop on his phone conversation. From the look on his face, it seems important.
Oh, let's go. We can do it.
Listen, Giovanni. This Ferris wheel was a good idea. She's a pumping the tar fast. And nobody, but nobody
Hello, Dax,
suspects a
no.
thing. but still, is it gonna be enough to get things ready for my opera recital?
Already here? I didn't expect that.
See me sing, I wanna make a show. They keep a coming, even if they don't feel like it. One way or the other, there'll be opera fans again. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, see you soon.
That fiend! He's twisted a time
La pause déj.
into a tool for wrongdoing. Break open the control panel with your cane. I'm on my way to do a little rewiring.
Look away if you must. You're about to witness the dark side of electrical engineering. Kill a bunch of poor innocent fish, will he? That'll do.
Don't play with Bentley. Oh wow. Wow. Chaque fois j'oublie que j'ai pas le parachute encore. Oh oh. All right.
This opera house is Octavio's base of operations.
Nice place. Sure to be a few coins laying around in there. What's the plan?
If you can get me inside to one of Octavio's computers, I should be able to hack his firewall and get the dirt on his operation.
Okay, have you got a point of entry? I'm guessing the front door's not the safest option.
That wooden hatch appears to be an ideal way to slip in undetected. Head down there and we'll meet up in a few minutes.
Pas de live Genshin aujourd'hui, reporté à cause du décès d'un ministre ce matin. Hein? Et? C'est quand du coup?
Octavio is known to rely on 3D technology to secure his property. In order to see the security measures, we'll need to utilize these depth optimizer goggles.
Functional and fashionable. Nice touch, Bentley.
Ah, c'est vrai, il y avait des lunettes 3D sur, sur le Slide 3 de PS2. Non, on va pas mettre la 3D, hein. On est sur un PC actuellement. Elles sont stylées en plus, les lunettes. Bon, c'était la 3D avec tu sais, le côté rouge et le côté bleu, hein, mais pas mal.
To open this door, we'll need to press the 3D security buttons at exactly the same time. Okay? On my 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice.
Nice. Report indéterminé. Ah ouais, en plus. C'est-à-dire qu'ils vont reporter aussi la mise à jour peut-être, non? C'est la première fois que ça arrive, ça. Ça se voit qu'on a vieilli. Ouais, bah c'est surtout que ça fait longtemps que j'ai pas joué au jeu, mais surtout j'ai pas joué sur PS2.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. All right.
Surtout le 3, je peux plus y jouer sur PS2 parce qu'il marche plus. Mais je le garde parce que j'aime beaucoup trop.
Drat, my booster won't be enough to make it to that next door. I've made a number of improvements to my wheelchair, but none that can float me through this canal.
Don't worry about it, pal. I'm sure I'll find a way across. And there seem to be plenty of boats hanging around to make a nice bridge for you.
Okay, I'll wait for your signal.
Good evening to you, my fine associates. Octavio here. I'm pleased to report that the DAS suction levels are at all-time high. However, it saddens me to report that some of you haven't been keeping in time with the orchestra. You know what I mean. I'd like to see Marco, Raphael, and Julius.
Je pense pas que la mage sera reportée, c'est dans 10 jours la mage, donc ils ont encore la semaine prochaine pour annoncer les détails. Et c'est ballot que ton jeu ne fonctionne plus sur PS2. Ouais, mais je le garde trop, j'aime beaucoup trop la jaquette, et puis c'est Sly. Mais t'inquiète, je peux y jouer sur PS3, j'avais racheté la trilogie sur PS3 pour justement pouvoir y jouer. Du coup sur PS3 j'ai les 4 jeux. Mais du coup, vu que c'est la version remasterisée, ils ont enlevé en fait la scène où ils parlent des trucs 3D. Et ça fait bizarre. Le pire, j'ai des jeux PS2 mais pas de PS2. Mais non. T'as quoi comme jeu, sérieux? Va falloir investir, hein. Moi, j'attends toujours que PlayStation fasse de la rétrocompatibilité PS2. Là, il y a eu PS1, il y a eu PS3 et tout. Mais ils ont jamais fait de rétrocompatibilité pour les jeux PS2. C'est vraiment dommage. C'est quand même une de leurs meilleures consoles en soi. Il a plein de jeux. Bah, il y a rétro, mais faut payer. Ah, ils sont malins. Zozo, j'espère que t'as bien mangé. Ah, c'est quand même dommage d'avoir fait de la rétrocompatibilité sur PS1, PS3 et tout, mais pas PS2. Enfin, c'est la seule console qu'ils ont pas fait en rétrocompatible.
Thanks, pal.
Ah, si t'as l'idée sur la PS1, fais sur les autres. Quand même. Ma PS2 marche encore, mais ça commence à être dur quoi. Il y a des jeux où faut être patient. Par exemple, j'ai un de mes jeux Spyro. Je suis obligée d'essayer au moins 4 fois de lancer le jeu parce qu'il pour lui, il n'y a pas de jeu dedans. Lecture disque, ouais, c'est ça. Ou alors, des fois, il faut que je mette genre une jaquette sur le dessus pour que ça fasse un léger poids et qu'il lise le disque. C'est fou. Donc ouais, ça prend du temps, mais une fois qu'elle est partie, elle est partie. En tout cas, sur PS5, j'ai pu jouer à Sly Trilogy, les anciens God of War et les anciens Burnout. Même refait aussi les anciens Ratchet & Clank. Ah, ça, on se le fera. Hein. C'est ce que je disais tout à l'heure avec Zozo. Tout ce qui est jeu de plateforme PS2, genre Ratchet, Jack, Crash, Spyro, tout ça, on va les faire un jour en stream, c'est sûr. Là, tu vois, j'aurais fini... Je sais pas si j'aurai le temps de faire, faire le 4, mais Là, on aura fait la franchise Sly Cooper. Ah, Rayman 3. Aïe, 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 aïe. Rayman 3. Mais ouais, hein, faudra se le faire. Faudra se faire tout ça. J'ai oublié quoi là? Ah, y avait rien. Ah, j'ai à moitié le hockey, j'aime pas. Je vais refaire, ouais. Je dis en plus Rayman 3, attends, je l'ai sur quoi? Je l'ai sur GameCube ou PS2 Rayman? Je sais plus. Je sais que j'avais adoré Rayman 3, mais je l'ai jamais fini. Donc si un jour on fait Rayman 3 en stream, je vais découvrir en fait la fin du jeu avec vous. Hein. Il y a plein de jeux comme ça, j'ai jamais réussi à finir. Il y a même des jeux Sonic que j'ai adoré faire, que j'ai joué des heures et des heures, mais que j'ai jamais réussi à finir. Même refaire des jeux de la Wii. Oh, je sais pas si je peux avoir des jeux Wii en émulation. Parce que pareil, il y a des jeux Wii que... ouais, il y a moyen que j'ai envie de faire. Hein. Genre dans les jeux Sonic que j'ai, mais que j'ai jamais réussi à finir, il y a Sonic Heroes déjà. Jamais fini. Donc je sais à peu près la fin. Mais pas complètement. Et Sonic Unleashed. Oh, là. Sonic Unleashed, incroyable ce jeu. Mais j'ai jamais réussi à le finir. Pareil. Pareil, va falloir faire ça ensemble. Mince, je me fais attaquer, j'ai pas vu. Après, je connais la fin de Sonic Unleashed, hein, parce que j'ai vu énormément de let's play. Mais de ma propre partie, j'ai jamais réussi. Meilleur jeu incroyable. Les musiques... Le fait d'avoir différents gameplays de jour et de nuit. Sonic en hérisson garou là. Oh aïe aïe. Ah maman. C'est moche. Oh, c'est incroyable comme jeu. Oh, pardon Bentley, je suis désolée, je t'écoute plus. J'ai pleuré quand je l'ai reçu à Noël. Ah ouais. Mais il y a plein de jeux comme ça que j'ai eu et que j'ai jamais vraiment fini, ou du moins que je me souviens pas. Même genre typique GameCube, Mario Sunshine et Luigi's Mansion, je me souviens pas du tout de la fin. Carton jaune. Ah, désolé.
Aside from a few tense moments, that break-in seemed to go pretty well.
It's not over yet. Hack the system and let's get out of here.
Carton.
Snap extracted the details on Octavio's operation from this old dinosaur. What?
Ding 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 ding.
Guess the dinosaur has teeth. I'll hack as fast as I can. Watch my back. There are sure to be guards on the way.
Oh, don't worry. In the fire.
They told us.
Ah! Oh, he dodged it! He dodged it again! In the fire! In the fire! Really? Don't want? In the fire! Huh. No! No pain!
Halfway there.
Halfway, yeah! In the fire! In the fire! Oh! Pfft. That. Come on!
I'm almost
Huh?
So
In the
close.
fire. No, 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 no. Oh, I miss it. Nope. Nope.
Down low.
Yeah!
complete. Now we can find out exactly what Octavio is up to.
Eh ben, je n'ai même pas fini. Je sais. Attends que je t'attrape si on se voit le 30-31. Ah! Non! Oh là là, je me rends tellement pas compte. On est le 27. Oh, faut que je fasse mon préenregistrement de valise. Apparemment, tu peux te pré-enregistrer sur l'application. Du coup, je l'ai téléchargé et tout. J'ai vérifié mes réservations, mais je me suis pas pré-enregistrée. Oh, j'ai tellement hâte. Ça, je savais pas. Bah moi non plus, c'est quand je suis allée sur l'appli, c'était marqué dès 7 jours à l'avance, vous pouvez vous préenregistrer pour que quand t'arrives avec tes valises à l'accueil de l'hôtel, en gros, bah, les informations soient plus rapides à donner et tout, tu vois. De ce que j'ai compris. Je savais que pour les réservations du parc. Bah écoute, moi aussi. Mais dans tous les cas, il fallait que j'ai l'application pour les fast-pass et tout, et la réservation pardon, du resto. Quel hôtel? Bon, j'ai pris comme d'hab, j'ai pris le Sequoia parce que j'aime beaucoup trop. J'aime trop vraiment l'ambiance de l'hôtel. Oh là là. Au début, je me suis dit, vas-y, pourquoi pas tenter l'hôtel Marvel? Et puis j'ai vu les prix, je me suis dit, ouais, non, je vais rester avec mon Sequoia, il est très très bien. Super joli. Ouais, j'adore. Le petit chalet boisé, là, comme ça, en nature, ça fait trop du bien. J'aime pas trop les autres hôtels ont l'air vraiment très beaux, hein, mais je sais pas, je suis pas fan de genre... comment le truc qui fait un peu portuaire là, le truc sur les bateaux, le Newport. Je suis pas forcément fan. Marvel, c'était vraiment pour le côté bah, Marvel, tu vois, mais les prix, voilà, et puis sinon l'ambiance en soi de l'hôtel, c'est très... bah... industriel, New York, un truc un peu comme ça, tu vois. L'hôtel Disney, bah, il est fermé et vu les prix quand il va rouvrir, c'est mort, je ne suis pas milliardaire. Y a quoi d'autre comme hôtel? Il y a le Santa Fe, je crois que c'est Cars. Bah pareil, je suis pas forcément très fan. Il y a le Davy Crockett aussi, je crois. Davy Crockett, c'est quoi déjà le thème? Je crois que c'est un peu ranch, non? Celui-là, faudra que j'essaye en vrai. Un peu western et tout, ça peut être vraiment stylé. Je crois que c'est sur Toy Story, non? Je crois que tu prends le bus pour venir au parc. Ouais, il y a toujours les navettes à prendre pour n'importe quel hôtel. Après, t'attends vraiment pas longtemps et t'as pas beaucoup de trajets. Je crois c'est un des plus près avec New York du parc, je crois. Non. Et j'espère que cette fois, votre piscine, elle est ouverte. Parce que j'ai jamais de chance dans les hôtels que je prends, que ce soit Disney ou ailleurs. Hein. À chaque fois, dans les hôtels que je prends, il y a des piscines et à chaque fois, elles sont fermées. À chaque fois, ah non, elle est fermée. Ah non, il y a des travaux. Du coup, j'ai jamais pu aller dans une piscine d'hôtel. C'est incroyable. Alors, comment te dire? Mais me dis pas qu'elles sont encore fermées. Mais c'est jamais ouvert vos piscines. C'est pas possible. Quand est-ce qu'elles sont ouvertes les piscines? C'est quand même dingue d'avoir une piscine et qui plus est couverte. et qu'elle soit jamais accessible. Je suis pas responsable. Mais je me doute bien, mais c'est quand même dingue ça. C'est incroyable. J'ai vraiment pas de chance avec les piscines d'hôtel. Genre il y a une fois aussi pareil, j'avais eu un hôtel pour quand je suis allée au Puy du Fou. Et pareil, il était censé y avoir une piscine et elle était fermée pour travaux. J'étais dégoûtée. Je suis maudite avec les piscines. Il y a que chez moi que je peux y aller. Enfin, chez moi. Ma ville a pas vraiment de piscine en soi, donc je suis obligée d'aller à celle d'à côté, mais... Maudite des piscines, mais oui! La piscine municipale de la ville d'à côté, c'est bien, mais bon... Quand même. Je sais que j'aime pas être en maillot de bain, mais quand même, j'aime beaucoup la piscine. Enfin... Je préfère largement une piscine que la plage déjà, ça c'est sûr. Mais please! Je sens, de toute façon, je sens que je vais encore amener mon maillot de bain pour rien. Elle sera fermée. Déjà la dernière fois, j'avais pris le Sequoia et tout. Et je me souviens... Attends, c'est quand la dernière fois que je suis allée à Disneyland? Oh, je sais même plus. À 3-4 ans peut-être? Je sais plus. Pareil, j'étais à l'hôtel et tout. Avant d'aller au parc, je me suis dit, vas-y, j'ai envie de... Par curiosité, quoi, d'aller à la piscine. Et du coup, je m'étais changée dans ma chambre d'hôtel avant. Je sais pas s'il y a des vestiaires là-bas. Donc je m'étais changée et j'avais mis mon maillot de bain en dessous mes vêtements. J'avais pris tout ce qu'il me fallait, donc serviette et tout. Je descends, je longe les couloirs, machin, je regarde les panneaux parce que je savais pas où elle était. Je sais même pas où elle est la piscine, toi, tu vois. Donc je cherche, je suis les panneaux et tout, je vois piscine, ok, j'y vais. Et là, j'arrive devant et là, je vois piscine en réhabilitation, merci de votre compréhension. Donc piscine fermée, dégoûtée. Et en plus, je crois sur le panneau c'était marqué elle va rouvrir à telle date. Je crois que c'était littéralement le lendemain de mon séjour. J'étais dégoûtée. Je te jure, ce séjour-là, je m'en souviens parce que j'étais mais maudite. Genre pareil, un des trucs que je rêve d'avoir, c'est un autographe de réponse. Parce que pour ceux qui ne savent pas, je suis hyper fan de réponse. C'est ma princesse préférée et mon perso de loin préféré. Avec Vanellope évidemment. Et genre tous les jours dans mon petit sac, mon mini sac à main, je prenais mon carnet d'autographe et un stylo et tous les jours je me dirigeais vers le truc des princesses où il y a une pancarte pour dire quelle princesse il y aura aujourd'hui. Et à chaque fois il n'y avait pas réponse, j'étais dégoûtée. Du coup je me rappelle il y a un jour, je crois que c'est le premier jour, j'avais demandé à un monsieur du staff là, un cast member. J'ai dit excusez-moi, vous savez pas à peu près, je me doute bien que c'est un peu aléatoire, mais vous savez pas quand est-ce qu'il y aura réponse. Et là, premier jour de séjour, le gars il me dit ah je suis désolée, elle était là hier, donc à mon avis elle va pas revenir avant quelques jours. Je dis sérieusement, vraiment, quoi? Tu es en train de briser tous mes rêves là. Dégoûté. Dégoûté. Ah là 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 là. Donc voilà, non seulement j'ai pas eu de piscine, mais en plus, j'ai pas eu réponse. J'ai pas eu mon autographe. Donc j'espère que cette fois mon séjour se passera mieux et que j'aurai un peu plus de chance. Donnez-moi ma piscine, donnez-moi un autographe de réponse, s'il vous plaît. J'attends que ça, j'en rêve. Je t'envoie un exemplaire de sa dédiée si je la vois. Bah, j'ai pas envie de déranger. Mais bon, quand même, ouais, ça m'a fait chier, voilà. Je dis les termes. Bon, allez. Allez. On retourne là-dessus. Là. Ah là là, mes aventures. Voilà, avec tout ce que j'ai planifié pour le séjour, s'il se passe mal, franchement, là, ce sera pas de mon essor. Hein.
Hey Sly, you better get over
Ah.
My sources tell me that Octavio has hired the Blue Viper Gondola gang to take out Carmelita.
The Blue Vipers? Those guys are nasty. We've got to get to them before they get to her.
She's off on her daily patrol. The thugs can't be far behind.
On my way. Just make sure to have one of those police boats hot-wired by the time I get there.
The crushes.
Just cross the blue wire with the red wire and shazam!
Just in time. There go the Vipers.
I'll shoot. You drive, Sly. This canal is packed with shipping. Make sure to jump and weave or we're sunk. Sorry, Sly. My gun overheated. Guess I should use short burst.
No way. Ah! Ah!
Scratch one Blue Viper. Nice shooting, Bentley.
Come on, can I have it? No way. Yeah.
There you go. That's the end of the Blue Vipers.
Bentley was so happy to shoot.
Another uneventful patrol. This city's beautiful, but a bit quiet for my taste.
Aww. We did save your life, girl. Be proud.
I hope you realize that by saving Carmelita, we're only making our operation here more difficult.
Maybe so, but what's the fun in stealing if there's nobody trying to catch you? Besides, she's helped us out in the past.
That, and you've got a thing for her.
Yeah.
Look, I'll stash this boat. It might be useful for later.
He did
You stay
mean
out of
it.
trouble.
So, according to these decrypted files, Octavio is pumping tar from underneath the foundations of buildings so he can sink them into the canals on a whim. He's going to demonstrate this destructive ability to the people of Venice during his opera recital on the first day of Carnival. To counter this threat, we'll first destroy the balloons and sign advertising the recital. If no one shows up, he'll have no reason to sink a building. Next, the blueprints to the main tar vacuum have been cleverly split into 3 parts and hidden in local coffee houses owned by Octavia. Unfortunately, they're under constant guard, so you'll need to use a disguise to get us inside. Also, some big Vincennetti goons have been called in as insurance for the recital. Given their size, I think it's prudent to fool Carmelita's 8 mercenaries into taking them out for us. And finally, we'll have to convince Murray into taking to the field. If he's learned the
Ooh.
aboriginal ball form, it'll be just the thing for destroying the local tar reservoirs.